It was on one Sunday evening, just about the hour of 3, when my darling told me he was leaving to go sail on the deep blue sea. He promised to write me a letter, oh, he promised to write to me, but I have not heard from my darling, who's out sailing on the deep blue sea. My mother is dead and buried, and my father abandoned me. I have no one to love me but that sailor on the deep blue sea. Oh Captain, can you tell me when he might be? For I have not heard from my darling, who's out sailing on the deep blue sea. Oh yes, I can, fair maiden, I will tell you what happened to he. For we lost your true love, sailor, at the bottom of the deep blue sea. Farewell, my friends and neighbors, this is the last you'll see of me, for I'm going to join my true love at the bottom of the deep blue sea.